Hello everyone and welcome to your channel Todo en Tutoriales. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view and share your YouTube recap. This is a summary of all the videos you've watched throughout the year, a feature where you can discover which channels you watch the most, your favorite topics, and even your user style within the platform. If this video helps you, let me know in the comments. I invite you to leave a like and subscribe. I have more tutorials on my channel that you can check out. And without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. The first thing you're going to do is make sure you have the latest version of YouTube. To do this, go to the Play Store, search for YouTube, and check that you don't have an update available. This button should say Open, not Update. If it says Update, simply update your YouTube app so you can get the latest version. After this, you're going to open your YouTube account. Enter the app, and once you're inside, tap the bottom section where it says You. Here you'll find a banner that says Year 2025. Recap is here. Just tap this banner and it will automatically open the content you've consumed throughout the year. The recap works just like stories, so you can tap to move forward or tap the left side to go back. Each card will show your most watched topics, your most viewed channels, the type of content you watch the most, and your personality according to YouTube, what kind of user you are on the platform. If you want to save one of the cards, simply tap the little arrow at the bottom. Or if you want to share the card, tap the share button and it will open a screen that lets you share your recap on your social media. That's how you can do it quickly and easily. This is how you can view your recap for the year 2025. Keep in mind that this option is not yet available in all countries, so open your account to check whether your recap is already available. If this video was helpful, I invite you to leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so the information reaches everyone. I'll see you in the next video.